guys, so I'm back with a new unboxing and a quick haul. I haven't done one in a while. I'm gonna do a mini Sephora haul slash unboxing and what I got at Forever the other day. I posted a quick OOTD of my jeans and a lot of people liked it, and it's actually from Forever 21. So I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Let me just open this box. So I recently hit Rouge on, or Rogue, however you say it, on Sephora. It's the tier after VIB. I'm super excited because I got an exclusive 20%. These are some of the samples I got. I love how they give me a bunch of samples. I got this hydrating mask, Dr. Jart. Love it. It's one of my favorite masks. They are $6, I believe. But I got the 20% off, so that's like about $4 or so. I restocked on the Beauty Blender. It's the black one. And then I got this from a reward. I believe it was like 100 points. It's the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I actually have this in the bigger size, and I really liked it. I enjoyed using it. I use it only during nighttime because it's kind of like, it's like a little heavy for my skin. I have dry skin, so I wear it overnight and it lasts until the morning, keeps my face moisturized. So I got this for on the go. And this was also another reward. Actually, I think this was free with a $35 purchase, and then this was a reward. I got this. It's the water cream, the green one. I use the purple one. It's the dewy skin. It's better for my skin personally because it's dry. This is the deep cleanser. So this was free with 100 points, I believe. And then recently I switched over to Brow Wiz, or not Brow Wiz, brow pencil, yeah, from Benefit. I forgot what it's called, but I used to use Brow Wiz from Anastasia, and then there was a recent sale on these. I believe they were 50% off through Sephora during the holidays, and I loved it, so I restocked on it. And yep. Okay, so next on to my Forever 21 haul. Recently got these the other day. I got these pair of shoes. I actually already wore them. I've been going on interviews and I needed a pair of flats that were comfy, so I got these. These were, I believe, $18. Super cute, true to size. And then I got this black bodysuit. You guys can see it. It's kind of, lighting's kind of bad, but yeah, this was only $8. It's like, I've been really into like the crisscross tops, so got this. This was the top that I wore on, or try on, in my OOTD last week that I posted. The black top, and it's in my highlights if you guys are wondering. And these are the jeans that I love. Oop. I'm obsessed with these new jeans from Forever 21. They ran their new line. I'm not sure what they're called, but it's their new denim collection, and the quality is so good. I used to not really care for their jeans, but these are really good, and they're only $30. If you open a credit card, you also get 20% off your first purchase, but I already had their credit card, so I got $10 off my entire purchase. And yeah, I bought the Fairfax, which is like every other pair of jeans, but the ones that I really like is called the Westwood Mom Jeans, which is the pants that I tried on in my OOTD. And also I wore them in one of my outfits picture, the one with the Christmas tree and the pink sweater. Yeah, I got these in a medium wash. I love distressed jeans. I also got another one, same pair, but it's a darker wash, medium wash. So now I have them in 3 pairs, black, medium, and light wash. They are true to size. My black one are a little bit oversized. I bought it 2 sizes bigger because at that time it was the only one, so I wear a belt really tight on those. But it's cute because it's a mom jean, so it's a little bit like what is it called, baggy, loose, and they're mom jeans, so it works out. And the bottom isn't like flared, it's straight. It's kind of like, okay, so now on to the last item I got. I actually got some earrings there too. but I don't know where they are right now. I believe jewelry right now until the end of January is on sale. I got those for 60% off without even realizing it at the mall. I don't know if it's the same online, but it was supposed to be $12 and it came out to like 5 something. Super cheap. And then this is the last thing I got. Is only $12 before my $10 off. Super cute. It's another one of those top that's like, you know, crisscross. And yeah, that's it for my Forever 21 and mini Sephora haul. I hope you guys like this, and yeah, thanks. Have a great day.